Looking for a new smartphone but don't know where to start? Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to navigate through the myriad of choices and find the perfect device that suits your needs and budget. Dive into the bustling market of smartphones today with a wide range of options, from budget-friendly devices like the Google Pixel 6a, Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G, to mid-range ones such as Google Pixel 7, Samsung Galaxy S22, OnePlus 10T, and the high-end flagships like Google Pixel 7 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now let's unravel the key factors you should consider when buying a new smartphone. Firstly, price. Smartphones can fluctuate in price from a few hundred to over $1,000, so it's crucial to set a budget beforehand to avoid overspending. Next is the operating system. The two major players are iOS and Android. iOS exclusively runs on iPhones, while Android powers most other smartphones. Choose an operating system that feels intuitive and caters to your requirements. Screen size is another vital factor. Smartphones come in different screen sizes, hence choose one that feels comfortable in your hands. Now, if you're a photography aficionado, you might want to consider the camera. With smartphone cameras becoming progressively powerful, choose a device that offers quality camera systems if photography is your thing. Moving on to the processor, the heart of the smartphone. A robust processor ensures smooth functioning of apps and games. If you're into gaming or video editing, a powerful processor should be on your list. Battery life is another crucial factor. Choose a device with a battery that can keep up with your usage throughout the day. Lastly, software updates. Opt for a smartphone that will receive software updates for several years, ensuring your device stays up to date with the latest security features and bug fixes. Moreover, you might also want to consider factors like 5G support, foldable display, and wireless charging. 5G, being the next generation of cellular networking, provides lightning-fast download speeds. If you reside in an area with 5G coverage, consider a smartphone that supports it. Foldable smartphones, though expensive, offer a unique form factor that can make them more portable and easier for multitasking. Wireless charging, on the other hand, offers the convenience of charging your smartphone without the hassle of plugging it in. In conclusion, consider your budget, needs, and wants before making a decision. Do your research, read reviews, and don't hesitate to ask questions. I hope this guide has shed light on how to choose the right smartphone for you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.